Hello everyone, welcome to English Corner. Today with me Fitra, and I'm going to explain about this too many, too much, and not enough. If you like with this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you like this channel, please do so. First of all, I'm going to tell you about to. How to use to. To, we use to usually to show negative feeling. It means we don't like it. So whenever we don't like something, we use to. For example, we get something more than we need. We get something more than we need. For example, like we need 10, and then we get like 100. So in that situation, we can also use to. Once again, to we use to show negative feeling. It means we don't like it. Yeah. And then to can be followed by adjective or adverb. Once again, to can be followed by adjective or adverb. Okay, let me give you the examples. The first one, the book is too thick. The book is too thick. Thick in this sentence is an adjective. Okay, describe the book. The book is too thick. And when I say the book is too thick, it means I don't like it. I don't like to read that because it is too thick. Okay. The second one, Mark is going too fast. Mark is going too fast. Fast in the sentence, it is an adverb. Okay, it is an adverb because it explains the verb going. Yeah, Mark is going too fast. Because he is too fast, I cannot catch him up. Yeah. Then the next one, the price for those trousers is too expensive. The price for those trousers is too expensive. Expensive is an adjective. It describes the trousers. Okay, and because it's too expensive, I cannot buy it. Yeah. And then the last one, don't speak too fast. Don't speak too fast, because you speak too fast, I cannot really understand what you are saying, and I don't like it. Okay, once again, we use to when we don't like about something. It means there is a negative feeling. Yeah, not negative feeling, maybe what do you call that? Negative expressions. Okay. Then okay, the next one is too many and too much. Too many and too much. Many and much is actually an adjective. Yeah, like too can be followed by adjective, right? Too many. Many is adjective. Much is also adjective. What is the difference between too many and too much? Too many is followed by countable noun. Countable noun means you can count the noun 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, like book, one book, two books, three books, or chair, one chair, two chairs, three chairs. You can count them. It's different with uncountable. We use too much with uncountable noun. Uncountable means we cannot count it. For example, like our hair, we cannot count our hair. Or water, we cannot count it one by one. One water, two water, three waters. No, we cannot do that. Okay, so the difference between countable and uncountable is countable can be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and then uncountable cannot be counted. The second difference is countable usually has two forms. Countable can be singular, can be plural. Book, books. Chair, chairs. Student, students. Singular, plural. But uncountable cannot be plural. Uncountable is always singular. Okay, uncountable is always singular. So you cannot say water, waters. Yeah, no, sugar, sugars. No, you cannot say that. Once again, too many plus countable, too much plus uncountable. For example, I have too many books to read before the exam. I have too many books to read before the exam. What is the noun? The noun is books, right? Too many, and then followed by countable books. I have too many books. Once again, there's a negative feeling, right? I don't like it. And Mike drank too much coffee. Mike drank too much coffee. Coffee is uncountable, okay? That's why we use too much. And then there are too many people in that room. People is countable, so that's why we use too many. And then the last one, I put too much sugar in my coffee. Sugar is uncountable, so we use much. Too much sugar. Okay? That's the difference between too many and too much. Yeah, once again, too many is followed by countable noun, too much is followed by uncountable noun. And the last one is about not enough. Not enough can be used with adjective, can be used with adverb, or can be used with noun. The difference is the position. If you use an adjective or adverb, you put them between not and enough. So you can say not adjective enough, or not adverb enough. But if you use it with noun, you put the noun after not enough. So you say not enough noun. Okay, let me just give you example. Monica is not pretty enough to be Miss Universe. Monica is not pretty enough to be Miss Universe. Not pretty enough. Pretty is adjective, right? Describing Monica. Look at the position. The position here is between not and enough. The next one. My computer doesn't work fast enough. My computer doesn't work fast enough. Fast in this sentence, it functions as an adverb because it explains work. Yeah, explains a verb. As you can see, the position is between not and enough. Yeah, doesn't enough, not enough, doesn't work fast enough. Okay, that's the position of adjective and adverb. The last one is noun. I don't have enough money to buy a new car. I don't have enough money. Not have enough money. The noun is money. Look at the position. The position is after not enough money. Okay, so I think that's all that I can share for you today. Hopefully you can understand my explanation very well. And once again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching this video.